Hello students, welcome to online class. Students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Are you ready to do with clapping exercise? 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Yes, very good. Students, today class we will learn or we will revise about Unit 2. Okay? What is the name of the topic Unit 2? Yes, you already learned. Very good. Excellent answer. The topic name is plants. What is the name of the topic unit 2? Plants. What is the today learning outcomes? See the slide. Unit 2 name is plants and the topic is reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. Okay. So today learning outcomes. Revise the chapter unit 2. Okay. Revise the chapter 2. See that students. Before we go to the topic, I ask one question. Okay. So plants is one of the living thing. Yes. So plants is one of the living thing. And then how many parts of the plant you already learned? Yes. How many parts of the plant you already learned? First one root part, stem part, and then leaves part, flower and fruits part. Yes. There are so many parts of the it has plant part. Yes. So the plant is basically divided into two parts. Yes. What's the first one? What's the first one? Yes, very good. Shoot system and root system. Okay. The plant part are present below the ground is called root system. The plant part is present above the ground is called shoot system. Very good. Then what are the ingredients? Students, what are the ingredients? Yes, the plants, we need ingredients to make the food. Yes, some of the ingredients we need to make the food. What are the ingredients? Yes, water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Yes, water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Yes, what's the next topic, ma? What's the next topic? You can imagine. Can you guess it? See the slide? Yes. Next topic, structure of leaf. Structure of leaf. Okay. How many parts of a leaf? See the slide? Petiole, vein, leaf margin, midrib, lamina or leaf tip. Yes. So many parts of the we already learned. So we go to the assessment part. Worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3. Turn the page number in your worksheet book 27. Page number 27 in your worksheet book. First question, label different parts of the leaf. Yes, see that? Main vein, leaf blade, side vein, leaf apex, leaf tip or leaf apex. Okay. Second question, what is chlorophyll? What is mean by chlorophyll? Yes, very good. Chlorophyll is a substance which gives the green color to a leaf. Yes, it is green in color. Okay. It is required for photosynthesis. It is required for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is a substance which gives the green color of the leaf. It is required for photosynthesis. Come to the third question. Why is the leaf called kitchen of a plant? Why is the leaf called kitchen of the plant? What's the answer? Very good. Leaf is called kitchen of a plant because this is where the food for plants is made. Yes. So leaf part is very important part because they make their own food. Okay. Then let's relearn next topic. What's the next topic? Yes, very good. Photosynthesis method. See the slide, ma. Photosynthesis method you already learned. What are the necessary condition or necessary things during the photosynthesis method in plants? Very good. Sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Plants use these necessary conditions and make their own food. Yes. What is mean by photosynthesis? Students, what is mean by photosynthesis? Yes, once all the ingredients reach the leaf, the process of making food begins in the leaf. This process is called photosynthesis method. Yes, the plants make their own food by using the leaf. This process is called photosynthesis method. Okay, and take your worksheet book, page number 29. Students, take your worksheet book and turn the page number 29. So, now I will revise unit 2, worksheet number 5, photosynthesis. See the first question. What is the role of the following in photosynthesis? There are necessary conditions for germination or also photosynthesis method. Yes, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and oxygen. Yes, first one, sunlight. What is the role of in photosynthesis method? See the slide, ma. It is directly observed by leaves. Photosynthesis can happen only in the presence of sunlight. So, the sunlight is very important. Yes, during the photosynthesis process. See the second one, carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide is one of the gas that is absorbed from air by leaves and mixed with water. Students, see the answer. Carbon dioxide is a gas that is absorbed from air by leaves and mixed with water. Okay. Third one, water. What is the role of water? Yes, very good. It is absorbed by roots and transported to leaves path through the xylem tissue. Okay. So water is mixed with carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis appa enna agum? Water or carbon dioxide gas mixing together. Okay, mix out. Fourth one, chlorophyll. What is the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Yes, it is the green color present in leaves. Yes. If a leaf is not green, photosynthesis cannot happen. Leaf green color illa appadina photosynthesis enna method வந்து process நடக்காது. Okay. Then last one, oxygen. Last one, oxygen. What is the role of oxygen in photosynthesis method? Yes, it is also one of the gas that is released by plants during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis அப்ப எந்த gas release ஆகும்னா oxygen gas release ஆகும், carbon dioxide gas என்ன ஆகும்? Absorb ஆகும். Okay. Come to the second one. Can plants make food at night? Students, can you imagine? Can plants make food at night? Give reasons for your answer. Okay. So, answer is no. Plants cannot make food on a night time because they need sunlight to make their food. Yes, the sunlight is very important during the photosynthesis process. So, sunlight will not be available at night time. So, the plants cannot make their food at night time. Okay. Come to the third question. Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. First question. The word photo means light. What is the meaning of photo? Light. Okay. Photosynthesis. That one is very important. Photosynthesis. Photo means light. Photo means light. Okay, photo means light, and synthesis means to mix things together. Two or more things mix together. Mix things together. Okay. Photo means light. Synthesis means to mix things together. Okay. Come to the B question. Carbon dioxide passes through the dash in leaves. Leaves க்கு தேவையான carbon dioxide எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? Very good. Stomata. What's the answer? Stomata. Carbon dioxide passes through the stomata in leaves. Very good. Stomata means இலை துளைகள். Okay. So, question number C. During photosynthesis, gas is released in the air. Which gas is released? Yes, oxygen gas is released in the air. Okay. Question number D. Dash present in the leaves absorb sunlight. Dash present in the leaves absorb sunlight. Yes, very good. The leaves is green in color. So, that one is the correct answer. Green color. Okay. Green color present in the leaves absorb sunlight. Question number 4. Which part of a plant cannot be called in its kitchen and why? Students, which part is called kitchen of a plant? You already learned. Yes, very good. Leaves are called the kitchen of a plant because this is where the food for plants is made. Where the food for plants is made. So, leaves part only make the food. So, plants leaves is called kitchen of a plant. Okay. Next topic, fruits. Next topic, fruits. Some fruits have single seed and some fruits have many seeds. Yes. So, see the slide. Some fruits with single seed. For example, mango. Then, any other fruit? Yes, coconut. Okay. So, some of the cherry. Okay. There are the example of fruits with single seed. Some fruits with many seeds. Yes. See the some of the example: papaya, watermelon, kiwi. Okay. Some of the fruits are has many seeds in it. Okay. Has many seeds present in it. So, see the next topic. What's the next topic? Germination process. Okay. How many students? How many stages in the germination process? How many stages in the germination process? Germination means விதை முளைத்தல். Okay. There are 5 stages in a germination process. Okay. See the slide. That one is the first stage. When a seed is sown in the moist soil, it begins to grow. Yes. First the sowing method. Sowing method. Okay. This process is called germination method. See that? That's the first stage. A tiny root grows downwards and a root grows upward direction. So, the roots grows upward direction is the second stage. See that? That one is a third stage. Okay, that one is a third stage. This produces a seedling of a plant which ultimately grows into a new plant. Okay, third one is a seedling of a plant. Some of the small leaves are growing in it. Okay, so that one is a third stage. What is the fourth stage? Yes, a small plant grows up into the adult plant. Okay, so that was the fourth stage. See the fifth stage. So, some of the fruit part are also grow in the plant and seeds in it. So, that was the fifth stage. Okay, so totally there are 5 stages in the germination process. Okay, let me see the next topic. Students, let me see the next topic. Next topic is seed dispersal. You already learned seed dispersal. Yes? dispersal. Students, what is meant by seed dispersal? See the slide. Plants grow from seeds and these seeds move with water, wind and birds to different places. Yes? So the seeds are moved from one place to another place by using different places. This entire process of the spreading of seeds is called seed dispersal. The short answer is spreading of seeds. Seed dispersal means spreading of seeds. Okay, விதை பரவுதல். So அதில் என்ன methods எல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்? There are different agents. We can already learned in different agents of seed dispersal. Once again see the slide. Dispersal by water, dispersal by animals, dispersal by humans and dispersal by wind and dispersal by explosion. Explosion. Okay, வெடித்தல் மூலமாக விதை பரவுது. Let me see the next topic. Some plant pot that we use for eat food. Yes, so we eat different kinds of plant pot. For example, root, stem part and flower part. Okay, so some of the examples are given in the slide. We eat root for some of the plants. For example, carrot, beetroot and radish. Okay, so okay, some plants we eat stem part, stem storage of food. For example, potato, onion, ginger and garlic. Yes. Students, now we go to the assessment part. Revise worksheet number 15. Revise worksheet number 15. Take your worksheet book and page number 39. Take your worksheet book and page number 39. Yes, see the slide. Look at the picture and write which part of the plant is the food item. Okay, which part of the plant? You can identify the answer, which part of the plant. So, first one, sugar cane. What is the answer? Which part of the plant that we eat in sugar cane plant? Yes, very good, stem part. Stem part, okay. That was the answer. Question number B, lady's finger. Which part, ma? Yes, very good, fruit part. Third one, carrot. What is the answer? Root, very good. Fourth one, cauliflower, flower part. Question number E, beetroot, root part. Question number F, watermelon, fruit part. Question number G, lentils, seed part. Then question number H, ginger, stem part. Very good. Ginger is a stem storage food. Don't forget that. Ginger is a stem storage food. Yes. Then peas. Peas is a seed. What is the answer? Which part of the plant that we eat? Seed part. Then last one, spinach. Last one, spinach. What is the answer? Which part of the plant that we eat? Very good, leaves part. Leaves part. Okay. Sugar cane stem, lady's finger fruit, carrot root, cauliflower flower, beetroot root part, watermelon fruit, lentils seed, ginger stem part, peas seed part, spinach leaves part. Okay. What is the next concept of the lesson? What is the next concept of the lesson, ma? Students, what is the next concept of the lesson? Uses of plants. What is the next concept of the plant? Uses of plants. What are the different uses of plants? Yes, fruits, vegetables, to make furniture, and then there are many uses of plants we use in our daily life. Yes. Then any other uses? Yes, we prepare the wood and then sculptures from wood. Then any other uses? Yes? Yes, we get spinach and flour, different kinds of flour, to make perfumes from flowers, to make soaps also, prepare the prepare from the plant part. Yes, we use also toothpaste also made from plant part. Okay, there are so many uses used in our daily life. Okay, so today class is over. Now we go to the assessment part. We make one more question. Students, what is mean by photosynthesis? What is mean by photosynthesis? Yes, very good. Photosynthesis means the plants make their food by using different types of conditions. Yes, students, today class is over. Thank you.